Hi Glowies! Are you excited for Christmas? Today, we're creating this super fun, doll-like Christmas makeup look, perfect for all your holiday pictures. This look is all about soft glam with glowy skin, rosy cheeks, and subtle details that make the makeup pop without looking too much. It's cute, festive, and easy enough to recreate whether you're going to a Christmas party, family dinner, or just taking photos. Let's get started. First, choose a gray or blue contact lens to help balance the makeup. Then apply foundation using a brush. It goes on thin and lightweight. Then use a sponge to gently press it into the skin. Just press, don't drag, when using a sponge. This keeps the base clean. For concealer, blend it out on the back of the hand before applying it to the face. This helps it sit closer to the skin and prevents creasing. For the contour, use a cream type to easily blend it out. Use a small brush to slowly blend out the nose contour. Don't skip the brow bone, as this area is key for enhancing facial structure. Any leftover contour can be used to deepen the philtrum and the area under the lips. For the outer face contour, tapping it out with a sponge makes blending quicker and cleaner. Then brighten the under eye area and the T-zone so the center of the face looks fuller. Set everything with loose powder once the base is finished. Keep the brows soft by lightly brushing through them with brow mascara. No need to be too precise. This eyeshadow palette has a very Christmas-inspired color story. Start by applying a light shade all over the eyelids as a base. Use a reddish-brown shade to deepen the crease, blending slightly wider to make the eyes appear larger. Add shimmer to the center of the lid for brightness. With a flat brush, pick up a dark brown shade and draw the eyeliner, extending it slightly to the lower lash line. After that, draw an aiguille using a thicker brush to give it a fuller, more dimensional look. Curl the lashes, apply one coat of mascara, and move on to false lashes. Begin placing lash clusters from the center of the eye. Apply to clusters, then layer one more in the middle for extra density. For the outer corners, use lower lash clusters to create a subtle fox eye effect. Fill in any gaps along the lash line with an eyeliner pen, then softly extend the liner at the tail. Go back in with the same dark brown eyeshadow to deepen the crease again for a slightly fake double eyelid effect. Next, add highlights to the eyes. A small amount of white highlight is enough and gives an intense brightening effect, helping the eyes look bigger both vertically and horizontally. See that effect? Let's look at the other eyes when both have highlights. Then, move on to blush and contour details. Sweep a berry-toned blush across the center of the face, adding a touch to the nose tip and chin. Add a beauty mark if desired, then use powder contour to deepen the double C lines for a more mixed heritage look. Highlight the bridge and tip of the nose, then switch to a slightly dewy highlighter and apply it to the cheekbones and brow bone. Start with a light pink shade as a base and layer a deeper shade on top for more impact. Finally, the look is complete. This makeup is very camera-friendly and perfect for the holiday season. Hopefully this tutorial brings some inspiration and helps create a beautiful Christmas glam. Enjoy the holidays and have a gorgeous Christmas.